Hi, beautiful people. It is me, Sonia. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Today is actually March 31st. It's Friday. Yeah, Friday, March 31st. So I was just sitting here and I was like, I'm just going to turn on the camera. Okay, I'm just going to start just turning on the camera even when I don't feel like it. So I'm kind of drained in a way, if I must be honest. Y'all, I had my first cup of coffee. I took a couple of days off. I know I keep saying like, Sonia, and some of you say don't mess with the caffeine. Y'all, caffeine ain't no joke. Because like I said, today is Friday and I'm trying to remember, was it Tuesday? I'm trying to remember, was it Tuesday or Wednesday that I drank some coffee and I couldn't go to sleep till 4 in the morning. So it's becoming a problem that my body does not, I just can't do the caffeine. I'm just learning. So I'm going to have to stop doing the caffeine. Even though I like it, I have to stop doing it. So anything that's not good for you, I think you should stop doing it, okay? This is one of the things for me. So I don't want to bore y'all with that, but I'm going to have to go get some water right now as we speak because I can feel myself being a little jittery. So I'm going to go ahead and pour myself some, hold on y'all. I'm going to pour me some water to flush this out of my system, okay? Try to flush it out of my system. But yeah, guys, it's Friday. I'm not doing much. I just actually wanted to sleep in today. I have nothing to do. I'm actually waiting on someone. As we speak, she's going to buy a few things from me. So yeah, just wanted to pop in for a minute. Y'all, look at my candlesticks. Can y'all see them on the table? Aren't they pretty? Look at them. Follow me on Instagram because some of that stuff I do post on Instagram. And let's see what other dates we got. We got, the couch looks a little different, right? I removed one of those pillows. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys in the bathroom too. Show you something that I picked up along the way. Well, not along the way, but y'all look at this. Look how pretty this is. Do y'all see this? It's so pretty. It's so chic, isn't it? So this is my oil, body oil that I created for myself. And I bought this in the bathroom. It's just so pretty. It goes really good with, hold on y'all. Sorry. It goes good with this one. Right there. Look at that. Ain't that nice? Isn't that nice when you come into the bathroom? All right, I think I'm talking a little bit too much. This coffee got me going, y'all. The coffee got me going. So I'm just going to continue to wait for this lady to come so she can pick up her items. But anyway, what am I saying? I think I'm going to go. I'm going to make up my bed, but in the meantime, oh, that's what I wanted to ask you guys. What do you guys think about me painting the kitchen cabinets black? Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about me painting the kitchen cabinets black? I've been thinking about it and I'm not sure yet, but I think I want to do that. I believe I want to do that. So let me know in the comments. What do you guys think? Do you think I should do it? I think it'll make the kitchen pop. It'll give the kitchen a different look. But yeah, I wasn't doing much, y'all. I actually, out of my oil, and I need to go to the guy, support Black-owned businesses, guys. I'm going to get this oil again. I wish this had a gold top, but taking this back and get it filled will cost me, it's actually $10 if you don't have a bottle. But by me having a bottle, it's only going to cost me $9. So I'm going to get this filled back up. But I just was actually in here going through all of my receipts and stuff like that, as you can see right here. And yeah, let me go make up my bed and I'll come back, okay? Make up my bed. All right, y'all, before we get started me making up my bed, I just want to show y'all a couple of changes I have made to the bedroom for now, okay? So, oh, let me put something away really quick. Well, not put it away, but anyway, let me show you. So I added these pictures right here. I took them, remember the pictures I had in there? I took them out of there and just placed them here. I just think it looks nice. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks nice with this, you know. And then I have a new addition as far as my pillows. I have this black velvet. It's velvet cotton, y'all. Can you believe that? It's really, really pretty though. Yeah, so I just want to show you. But now I'm going to go ahead and get ready to make up my bed. Okay? Make up the bed. All right? And then I'll come back. Hi. Hello. Hi, how are you? Good. Okay. So all of this is what you're talking about here? Are they all right with yourself?
I told your husband, I said, I'm a returning customer. He was like, okay.
All right, so you said these?
Yeah. Can I just look at it?
Yes. And plants. I mean, not plants, but that. And these glasses are wrapped up.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'm going to say, oh,
Looks
I
like
can take this battery out of here.
Yeah.
I was going to let you know it works.
Oh, yes.
Listen and listen, so you know that it's working.
Yeah, I hear it. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, she can keep the battery. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it looks fine. It looks like it's more like plastic.
Oh, no, there's no crack. All right. Okay. There's no crack. Back there.
It's just like scratched a little bit right here. That's okay.
Hmm?
It's just a little scratches. See.
Okay.
But it's okay.
Yeah, okay.
It's okay. That. Oh, girl. The earring that you keep coming. My daughter said put it back on it. That's all I had?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes, it was 4
Because I was
5 things. All right, guys, I'm back after all of that. Y'all, that lady bought me out of everything. All my stash that I had to sell, out of all those items, that lady came and she only supposed to buy 4 items. That lady bought 9 items. I'm so, so grateful. But this is what I'm wearing on my lip. I love the fact that it has this, let me see if I can show y'all. It has this like snap. Can y'all see that top like thing? But this is the e.l.f. and this is the brand. I don't know if y'all can see. Focus camera. That's the name of it. But in the meantime, just wanted to share. But yeah, I did untwist my hair a little bit. And she ain't going nowhere, but I did my hair and put some clothes on. I am gonna step out though in a second though. Gotta do my exercise and all right, y'all, here's outfit of the day. I have on my jeans that have, let me see. Let me step up, but I have on this white, clean white top. Have on my little hoops here, my little bangle, my little ring that I love. I don't know why it seems like, okay, there we go. This ring. And my Adidas throwback tennis shoes. This is outfit of the day, guys. What do you got to say? What do you got to say? See ya. Y'all, it is 3 o'clock. Do y'all know I am just now leaving out the door? And I think it's drizzling, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, yes, it's drizzling. It's a whole lot of drizzle. But let's go. Let's get it. I got so many things that I had to do today. That's why I'm so behind. But let's go get in the car because guess what? It's gonna get dark. Hold on, y'all. It is wet and dreary. Okay, now we're in the car. All right, y'all. Let me see if I can bag out a little bit. I'm in the garage, so just hold on a second, guys. And I haven't pulled in like this in a long time. It makes it looks very difficult. All right, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. We're gone. Yeah, I'm just driving, and I am just noticing that coffee is so good, but it's like a drug. It's really like a drug, okay? It's got me paranoid. That's why I don't do no drug, y'all. No, that coffee is enough. I'm sorry to keep talking about it, but now that I'm outside, it just got me feeling some type of way. But anyway, I'm en route right now. Today is Friday, I think I told y'all, and I'm getting ready to go to the bins. And I don't need anything, guys. I really have my home narrowed down to everything that I like, as far as like statement pieces, the furniture, everything. I'm gonna throw something in this video real quick. I got the heat up blasting, so hopefully y'all can hear me. But anyway, I got rid of something in the front room. I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is. I'm gonna let y'all guess. So as y'all watch these videos, somebody comment below and let me know what y'all think it is or what you notice that it might be. I don't care what you say. I'm just saying. But anyway, I'm gonna head to the bins. Like I said, I don't really need anything. I have what I like and what I want. And also, the only thing I really need to do now, I need to find the dye to dye those curtains in the office. And then, guys, guess what? I'm gonna have it like all together, like the way that I like it, okay? Not nobody else, but the way that I like it. Very minimal, but nice, okay? So I will see you guys when we get to the bins, because it's 3:08 and they close at 4, and I'm almost there in a minute. So I'll check back in with you guys. Hey guys, I forgot, I didn't give y'all the forecast. The forecast right now, it's 47 degrees, but like I said, we got sprinkles. It's raining. We got rain and it's a little blowing. So y'all know, put the rain and the 47 together, y'all already know what it feels like, right? But guys, I'm almost here. I've been driving, and I'm noticing that the people behind me, they keep on getting over. I think I'm driving like I'm high. I think I'm driving like I'm paranoid. And I'm being honest with y'all. I feel very, very anxious, like antsy. If you guys don't, you don't know me, but my personality, I'm very quiet like person, but I'm very antsy. Like I don't like to be still. I like to get things, do things. And it is making me more antsy. So anybody in this video, anybody that's watching this channel, I'm like in this video, anybody who watch my channel, if y'all drink, do y'all drink coffee? And I don't do it all the time, but I'm noticing that the more I'm doing it, it ain't hardly nobody here, y'all. The more I'm doing it, drinking it, I'm having a worse effect every time. I really am. But y'all, we're here. Let me turn this stuff down. We are here. And yeah, I'm gonna anyway here, y'all, it ain't hardly nobody in here, okay? So hold on, let me take y'all down off of here. Y'all gonna come with me, okay? Y'all gonna come with me. Make sure everything is off, my wipers, all that jazz, my lights, and all that jazz. And let's go see what's going on up in the place. Let's go see. Oh, y'all, it ain't hardly nobody. Oh, hold on, y'all, hold on. Lock the doors. It ain't hardly nobody. Nobody out here today. Thank you, thank you. Oh, let me get in here. So, y'all, let's go see. Let me show y'all. Look, there's hardly nobody in here. So, I'm gonna catch you guys. Let me get me a card just in case. But I'm gonna catch you guys in a little while, and this is gonna be a tasty continued. All right, y'all. Y'all, this video is gonna be continued. Okay, because they don't got nothing, and I'm about to leave. Look at that. There's my chair right there. But we're not getting nothing back here. I just wanted to show y'all what kind of stuff they got. This is what they have. But this video is going to be continued. I'll see you next one.